Hello guys, I'm Kiran and today I'm starting a help program for all those people who are in express entry and want to gain some extra points by taking a French test. I'm one of those people and that's why I have started this program and I'm going to learn with you. I'm also a beginner like most of you, so I want to start learning with you guys because this way we can help each other. So let's get started. But before that, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to my videos. Thank you guys. At the beginning, we are going to learn about the pronunciation of English alphabets in French language. So how do we pronounce these alphabets in French? So let's start together and all the best to all of you. A is pronounced as A. B is pronounced as B. C is pronounced as Se. D is pronounced as De. E is pronounced as A. F is pronounced as F. G is pronounced as J. H is pronounced as Ash. I is pronounced as I. J is pronounced as J. K is pronounced as Ka. L is pronounced as L. M is pronounced as M. N is pronounced as N. O is pronounced as O. P is pronounced as P. Q is pronounced as Q. R is pronounced as Ach. Ach. S is pronounced as S. T is pronounced as T. U is pronounced as U. I and O between that. U. V is pronounced as V. W is pronounced as W. X is pronounced as X. Y is pronounced as Y. Y. Z is pronounced as Z. So I hope you have learned this. You can practice it all by yourself, and tomorrow I'll post another video and we will learn one alphabet related to these all alphabets. And so guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you very much. I hope we will learn a lot of French together.